So I literally won't even be able to post this video until I see all of these packages are actually moving through the postal service. But let's get back to the story. So if you did not know, once you get 7 orders, you get a spiral tie named after you. And so she placed her order. She actually has placed 2 orders. I think she might be at 2 or 3 orders now, but this was originally when she placed this order. She placed this order and she sent an email and she was like, did I spend enough money to get a spiral tie named after me? And I'm like, this is the funniest email I have ever received. And just because you said that, I'm gonna go ahead and get you your spiral tie named after you early, because it takes 7 orders to get one named after you. But she literally ordered 11 items in her first order. So I'm like, you know what, we're gonna go ahead and get a spiral tie named after you. And we did get a spiral tie named after her. We made sure it was black because my girl likes black, clearly. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Chakray. I am the founder of Your Loc Muse, but I also love all things content creation, and I do all of this while being somebody's mama. So today we're doing our first pack with me video of 2024. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orders that I'll be showing you about 20 spiral ties. So yeah, let's get right into the orders. First up, we have Sarisa. I hope that I am saying your name correctly. She is a first-time customer, and y'all, she came through for the first time, and baby, she shopped until she dropped, literally. Okay, so in her order, she got an accessory bag. We're gonna put everything in the accessory bag for her to make the packing process a lot easier. She got a white chocolate set, which comes with 2 spiral ties, a black pearl, a black your way with purple string, a jet black onyx, 2 of them. You can tell she likes the color black. Midnight, and then she got a neutral colorful mystery set. So first, let me show you all the colors that I picked for her mystery set. I went ahead and I chose Tasia, Citrus, and Bronze. So we have Tasia, Citrus, and Bronze. Next we have her Black Pearl, Black Your Way with purple string. Dark purple is what she wanted. She got 2 onyx. So she got 2 of these onyx, which is a solid black spiral tie cotton. She got a jet black, midnight, and then she got the white chocolate set, which comes with milk chocolate, and French vanilla. So we're gonna go ahead and pack these all in her accessory bag, and to make sure that she got everything that she ordered, we're going to put it in the bag in the order that it was added to her cart. Our accessory bag also comes with a little bag inside of it. So if you don't want to take this big bag out the house, but you want to leave some in your car, you can just unclip this and leave that in your car. And this is her accessory bag with all of her spiral ties that she ordered in this order. If you are new here and you're wondering what in the world I'm showing, spiral ties are handmade here by me in my office. They are bendable hair ties for locks, natural hair, and protective styles. They are tension-free, bendable ponytail holders. So I'll insert a little video of the product in someone's hair. All right, next order is Shayla. She got a 15-inch abstract and a 15-inch onyx DIY kit. So this is abstract, and then this is her onyx, which is a DIY kit. So the DIY kit arrives with the fabric already closed on a spiral tie, and all you have to do is wrap the string. A tutorial is provided. Super easy to do, and you get your product quicker if you only have DIY kits in your order. Also, you all, we stopped sending out thank you cards probably, it's been 6 months now at this point, because honestly people just throw them away. So we just write thank you on our packing slips. We may go back to thank you cards, I don't know yet, but I don't want to contribute to waste. Okay, we wasting enough stuff in this world, and we don't need to contribute with a thank you card also. Next up, we have Chelsea, first time customer as well, if I didn't say that about Shayla. Chelsea got a 22-inch midnight. I'm glad that you all were able to get midnight, because that is actually a last call item on the site right now, and that one will not be restocking. Midnight has been around for probably, I think we originally launched midnight in 2022. So it's time for her to make her exit. Thank you, Chelsea. Next is Cece. She got a 22-inch milk chocolate and a 22-inch onyx. This is her milk chocolate. And onyx. Next we have Anita. This is Anita's, this may be her 3rd or 4th order she is receiving. Anita actually just modeled for us recently. We have content days here in the office. If you're near Chicago, or if you're in Indiana, Milwaukee, that's another one, because y'all be driving from Milwaukee. But we do send out emails for content days to invite our customers into the office to model for us. So Anita is getting a 42-inch milk chocolate in this order, and Anita be doing some cute styles because her locks are long enough. I can't wait for my locks to get some length on them, child. Please, I want my length back immediately. Next we have Annie. She got a 30-inch jet black DIY kit. So this is how hers is arriving. 30-inch jet black. The fabric is already on there for her, and all she has to do is wrap it with the string. I gotta get out of this office. I am overtime. Y'all, I'll be here later than where I'm supposed to be. This last couple of days I've been coming in through ice storms. The weather in Chicago has been terrible. The post office already is terrible. It don't matter which one you go to out here, with scanning in these packages and all of this stuff, and then add in weather. Next we have my girl Dr. B. She got 2 DIY kits, Aruba and cider, and then she got oak, French vanilla, and blueberry scone. So this is Aruba blue. Beautiful color. This is her DIY kit color. Cider, another DIY. And girl, I was supposed to be getting pictures of all this stuff, but I need to get out of here anyways. Blueberry scone. Oak. And French vanilla. Alrighty. Finish my chai tea in the car. And that, let me make sure I put her needle in here. That is it for this pack with me video. I'm going to try to get back to posting these, especially a lot more frequently this year. These are just fun. I get to chit chat. I was gonna say chit chat with y'all, but y'all clearly are not here talking to me. But I get to chit chat in these videos and let you all know about any upcoming updates and things like that. So I am going to try, let's see if I can do it, to get one of these posted a week. If I can do that, I will really feel accomplished, because girl, I am in here doing all the things and I be needing a little break to my day, even though I'm clearly doing this at the end of the day. But anyways, I'm about to get out of here, get this stuff out to the post office. I will get this video posted as soon as I see that everyone's package is actually moving through the post office and not just sitting at the post office. And I will catch you all on the next video. Bye.